So friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to install Java on Windows 11. So if you want to run your first Hello World program and want to install Java, just watch the video till the end. So first of all, you have to search in your browser Java JDK and download. So it will take you to this page and you just need to click on the first link. And so the latest one of Java is Java 20. So both Java 17 and 20 available. So you can download any of them. So I'm going to download the latest one. So you just need to select the Windows if you want to select download Java on Windows and use the just download this 64-bit installer. Download this setup and it is a 160 MB. You just need to download this XC file. Once it is download, open to install it. So the installation is pretty straightforward, but the setup for the environment variable is a bit tricky. So just watch it till the end to confirm. So first of all, once it is open, you just need to open it to install, and installation is pretty easy. And you just need to click on next and next, and in the end, just click on finish, and your installation will be done. But after installing, since I have already installed, so I just need to I just want you to get the idea of how to uh, set up the environment variable. So first of all, you have to search for uh, environment variable. So you can see this edit the system environment variable. Just click on it, and now you have to click on environment variables. Now it's time to set up your environment variable to run your Java first program. So first of all, you have to go to File Explorer, go to your C drive where the Java is installed, and just go to program file, and yeah, here, and just go to the Java folder. So in Java, the JDK file will be created after installation done. So just click on it to open. Now go to the bin folder, guys, and just copy the bin folder path. Once you copy, minimize this. Now it's time to add the path into us under the system variable. So just choose the path here and click on edit. Now you have to click on new and just paste the path that you have uh, copied from the installation folder of bin. Fine. So just paste it here and click on OK. Since I've already done that, you can see the above path is already added. So I don't need to do that. So I can click on cancel, but you need to click on OK. Once it is done, now it's time to add a user variable for the Java. So you have to click on new, and now you have to enter the variable name. So is Java home underscore home. Now you have to what will be in the variable value. So you have to go back to the installation folder. So come out of the bin folder, and now just copy this JDK folder path, the path of JDK folder. Control A and copy. Now you just need to paste it here and click on OK to save it. Fine. So I've already saved, I've already added. So you can see the Java home with the JDK folder path. Just click on OK to save it. Now to verify if the Java is installed on your system successfully or not, you have to open a command prompt. Just type cmd and you just need to if you want to verify which version of the Java is installed, just type Java hyphen and version. Just enter here and the detail of the Java will be come out. So you can see that this is the Java 20.0.1 is installed on a system, and you can see the detail of all the things of Java. So yeah, once you're done, now you can run your first Java program. You can use the Visual Studio or anything you want. So hope you like it. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to run your first Hello World program. Yeah, thanks for watching.